Yo! Looking for a thrilling driving experience that lets you soak up the sun and feel the wind in your hair? Look no further! With this car's sleek design, powerful engine, and comfortable seating, this car is perfect for anyone who wants to feel the freedom of the open road. Whether you're cruising along the coastline or tearing up the mountain road, you'll feel every curve and every bump as you take in the breathtaking scenery around you. So why wait? Get behind the wheel of our beautiful car and experience the ultimate driving experience.
And it's a convertible. It's a car and a plane. Watch this.